How to hide text message on iPhone screen. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can hide text message on your iPhone screen. So the first step is for you to go ahead and open your settings. So look for your settings. When you open your settings, I want you to scroll down and look for where it says message. So look for message section. When you click on message section, go ahead and look for where it's for the notification section. So let's scroll down. So here it is, guys. Go ahead and click on the notification section. When you click on the notification section, as you can see, guys, this is how you're going to be getting your notification. So you can go ahead and turn it off totally if you don't want to get any notification of your messages. For the sake of this video, guys, go ahead and just click toggle off this lock screen on. So when you toggle it off, all your messages will come in. You'll be notified, but it won't show in when your phone is locked. So when your phone is locked, text message will come in, but it won't show on your screen until you unlock your phone. So you can go ahead and play with this. You can turn off the notification if you don't want it showing you while you are using your phone. If you don't want to show it as a banner, you can also go ahead and turn it on. So I hope this video is helpful, guys. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe.